Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and currently we are here in Hong Kong, and this is the Victoria Harbor, and yung accommodation nga natin is very near this area. So our accommodation is within the city center, and behind these skyscrapers or buildings, nandun nga yung ating accommodation, and the name of the accommodation is Check-in Hong Kong. It's along the Hennessy Road, itong pinapakita ko sa inyo, and we chose this location kasi nga we need to do some business within this area. So ito yung kanilang pinaka receiving area or lobby area located sa second floor, and right now I'm gonna be giving you a tour of how it actually looks like inside. So yung binook naming room is a shared room. So pagkapasok ninyo sa main door, we have 3 different rooms. So kumbaga yung typical na Hong Kong style na subdivided siya. So pagpasok ninyo, they have this parang drawers or shelves here kung saan nandito yung water. So free pala ang water, ang drinking water nila, and coffee. So aside from that one, syempre walang mga buffet or breakfast na sinaserve dito nga sa inn na ito. Ayan, and then yung dalawang rooms dito sa pinakadulo, parang ano yan parang isa dormitory type na room. I think parang triple or parang 4 to 8 people ang kasya dyan, pero it's a triple deck ganong style. It has 1 toilet and bath, so kumbaga it is really a shared na toilet and bath, and in any case na you need to use the toilet pero it's not vacant, pwede naman tayong pumunta doon sa kanilang second floor para maligo or kung ano man. Ayan, so mayroon sila ditong wifi, and that's it. Wala talaga masyadong mahita dito sa loob. Kumbaga it's literally a place na matutulugan lang talaga. Pero I'm really surprised nung pumasok ako dito sa loob kasi sobrang liit niya. I didn't really expect na ganito siya kaliit. I've been to different parang mga ganito, yung mga backpackers, hostels before, pero this is by far the smallest na na-try ko na mga hostel. So yung pinili namin is good for 2 lang siya. So we have a double deck na single bed and a very tiny parang walkway sa gilid, and that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Walang television, pero buti na lang it's fully air conditioned, although yung aircon nila is hindi masyadong kumbaga malamig. Ayan, so just to give you an idea, ayan, literally parang kasya lang ang isang tao dito sa kanilang hallway, and yes, mapayat pa ako sa lagay na yan. So if you are someone bigger, then obviously talagang mas mahirapan kayong gumalaw dito sa loob. Ayan, so this one is the single bed, and of course ganito ang itsura niya pag nandito ka naman sa upper floor. So buti na lang kakilala ko yung nasa lower deck, diba? So mas kumbaga comfortable siya and convenient. Pero just imagine if hindi mo siya kakilala or it's a complete stranger, mas mahirap gumalaw dito nga sa loob ng kanilang mga rooms. So may mga saksakan naman dyan, and overall okay naman siya, except that medyo namahalan kami sa kanyang price. So just to give you an idea, itong binook naming room na to started with 350 Hong Kong dollars, or in peso that's 2,695 pesos. And then nung the second day, biglang nag-increase yung price kasi nag-extend kami. Naging 700 Hong Kong dollars na siya, or that's 5,390 pesos. And then on the third day, nag-extend na naman kami, pero yung price niya is naging 1,000 Hong Kong dollars na siya, or that's 7,700 pesos. And on the fourth day, we are planning to extend again, pero sabi nila naging 1,500 pesos na daw yung rate for that day kasi it's a holiday daw. So that's about 11,550 pesos. Pero hindi na namin grab yung parang last night kasi parang masyado ng overpriced, diba? So kumbaga okay lang naman magbayad ng ganung price, pero yung kumbaga, yung worth it naman sana yung room, 'di ba? Pero since ganun lang nga yung room, I think it's really overpriced and medyo mahal na siya. Kaya we decided to move into a different hotel. And yes, true enough, may nakita kami ng parang backpackers hostel rin siya, pero it's only 500 Hong Kong dollars, or that's about 3,850 pesos. Ayan. So, yan lang yung mai-share ko dito sa room. So, kumbaga, what you see is what you get. Talagang ganito lang kasikip yung kanilang room. And, syempre, if for example, yung nakasama ninyo sa room is maingay, ayan, diba? So, doon tayo magkakaroon ng parang inconvenience. Ayan. So, for example, nung time na yon inaantok na ako, pero yung kasama ko, nanonood pa siya. So, syempre, that's really something that you need to consider pag mag-check-in kayo sa mga parang hostels or backpackers type na mga accommodation like this. So, overall, if you're looking for a place na within the city center and nagtitipid kayo, then you can actually check in dito sa hotel na ito. Pero don't choose a holiday, kasi pag holiday, sobrang mahal ng kanilang prices. So just imagine from 350 Hong Kong dollars, naging 1,500 Hong Kong dollars yung kanyang price because it's a holiday. And we can fully understand naman kasi holiday nung nagpunta kami dito. So, ayan, malapit ang Jollibee dito, and there are a lot of, kumbaga, food, Hong Kong food na pwede ninyong i-try, and sobrang lapit niya rin sa mga night markets and other tourist spots. So, that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in our next destination.